Hey guys, it's RJRC Videos, and just received a package in the mail, and I'm going to open it up for you. This is the Inductrix from Horizon Hobby. Thanks to my co-worker Josh Chandler, who is a team pilot for Horizon Hobby. He recommended getting this drone here to play with, and I will be linking his channel here in the description. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and take a look. So it comes with this USB charger here. That you plug the battery into. And here's the original battery that comes with the drone here. Comes with two covers, and there's the blue one, and the red one is currently on it. And there it is. It looks awesome. Again, a big shout out to Josh Chandler, Horizon Hobbies team pilot, for recommending getting this. Thanks guys.